back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do a lot of styling videos, clothing hauls. So if you enjoy that type of content, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that way you never miss when I upload a new video. Today I have a Target try-on haul for you guys. I haven't done a Target haul in what feels like forever. So I went into Target the other day and I found some really cute pieces, some summer, some fall, because they're starting to bring out all the fall items. So yeah, I have some really cute items to show you guys. I actually found some boots for like $10, so I think those were on clearance and they're trying to get rid of them to bring out more fall stuff, but for $10 you cannot beat that price. So everything I talk about in today's video will be linked down below in my description box, along with my sizing, so that way it'll help you reference what size you want. For reference, I am 5 feet 4 inches. And before we get started with today's try-on haul, I wanted to show you guys what I got from Dossier this month. And if you don't know who they are a perfume company, a fragrance company. They have men's, women's, and unisex scents, and all their scents are based off of cult favorite designer perfumes. They basically give you the same scent for a fraction of the cost. Their perfumes start as low as $29, and I believe the most expensive one is $50. So they are very, very affordable. They smell absolutely identical to the original perfume. I have tested the Dossier perfume in comparison to the other designer perfumes, and they are exactly like almost 99.9% spot on. So if you want to save some money, definitely check out Dossier. And don't forget to use this coupon code. It will save you some money at checkout. And if you don't like the items, you can definitely return them within 30 days. So it's hassle-free, risk-free, so don't worry about that. If you open the bottle and you don't like the scent, don't worry. They used to have little sample sizes you could use before you tested the big bottle, but they wanted to help the environment, so they wanted to reduce plastic and got rid of those little sample sizes. So you can test the full-size bottle. Again, if you don't like it, you can return it. So the first scent that I chose for this month is called Oriental Cherry. It smells divine. It does smell like cherry, and this one is compared to Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. Their perfumes, I'm telling you, smell amazing. Like, they smell so good. So let me read you some of the notes. The top notes are cherry, almond, cinnamon, and middle notes are clove, rose, jasmine, plum. Base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, and Peru balsam. So it smells divine, and all of the information about the scents are on the card when you purchase it, when you receive your order, and all of the scents are on the website. All of the notes are on the website, so you can check out every single one and see which notes speak to you more. This one is definitely sweet, and it's just, oh my god, it smells divine. It smells so yummy. So that's the first one I got. And the second one I got is called Musky Musk, and this one has, of course, a more musky smell to it. It smells so good. This one is inspired by Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. So that is what this one smells like. It smells so good, and I have smelled this one in store before, and this one smells spot on. So it comes in this really pretty packaging, by the way, so these would make really great gifts. So this is what the bottle looks like. You guys know I'm a sucker for like sleek, clean packaging, so I love their packaging, and their caps are magnetic, so they just pop right back on and off. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but if I spray it, that is what the mist looks like. So it's a nice fine mist. Smells so good. I love this one. It's definitely more of like a musky masculine scent, but I love it. It smells so good. Love, love, love this. I love their perfumes. I cannot recommend them enough. And if you do order like a bulk amount of perfumes and colognes at once, you can save some extra money as well. I will have their website linked down below in my description box, along with these exact scents, and you can go ahead and read the top notes, middle notes, base notes for this one, and all of the other perfumes they have. I have so many Dossier perfumes. I have my own little collection. They are absolutely amazing, and they save you so much money. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, and let's get started with this Target try-on. I hear my AC in the background, so I apologize for that, but it is too hot to film try-on hauls without the AC on. So this is the first outfit I wanted to show you guys. So here is a full look of it. This top is a one size fits all top, so it's basically like a shrug. So this part unties and it opens up, and then you can tie it to fit your body. So I was worried that it wouldn't fit me because I am a size 14 for reference, but it fits perfectly fine. I love it. I love the color. It goes down pretty long, almost to my elbows. It is super cute. It ties in the front. I do have like a little cropped cami underneath. I believe this is from Zaful, but I will link one down below for you guys if you're interested. So you can pretty much wear this with like a full tank, a crop tank. You can wear this without a tank and just put like a little pin here if you wanted to. You could wear it that way. I love it. I think it's super cute. And these jeans I picked up, these were only $20, I believe. This is by Wild Fable. So is this top. These shoes I think are by A New Day. So these jeans are high-waisted, they're stretchy, they're comfortable. The only thing is I feel like this part here is like cutting into me the wrong way. I mean, I'm not really sure how I feel about it because I feel like it looks good, but I'm not a fan of this part up here. So I do really like these jeans. I'm just not feeling that part there. Maybe I'll go back and see if they have a pair without the rips up here, because I do like the rips on the knees, and they are super cute. These shoes are in a size 8 and they fit true to size. These jeans are in a size 14. They fit true to size except for that little this part here that does not look good on me. So these shoes are comfortable. I love a little pointy toe. I believe these come in black as well. I love them. They're just like a staple shoe you can pretty much wear with everything. They'll transition great into the fall time. So love these. Highly recommend them. They feel comfortable. I'm not feeling like it's rubbing anything, so far so good. So this is a fun lightweight like peplum flowy top, so super cute. This was only like $10. Very affordable. Again, I still have on the same dark jeans, and then I found these boots for only $10 on clearance at Target. So these are the boots I was talking about. Super cute and so inexpensive and comfortable. So these are in a size 8 and they do fit true to size. The jeans I just rolled and tucked them underneath so they can show the top of the boot a little bit. So honestly, this is pretty much a fall outfit. The heel is pretty comfortable as well because it's not too high. So this top does come in other colors, so if you don't like this like mustard orange color, you can definitely pick up one of the other ones. It's super lightweight, comfortable, flowy, so you don't have anything tight on your body. So this is a really easy outfit to switch up. So if you want to wear this top right now, just switch out your shoes to some sandals, and then once it gets colder and it starts the fall season starts coming in, you can layer on a jacket basically and wear the same exact outfit. So really cute, really inexpensive. I forgot how much I loved Target. I just haven't been in there like clothing shopping in so long that I forgot that they have such cute pieces. So next up we just have a simple bodysuit in this black ribbed material. This was only $10. It does come in a nude color as well. I wanted the nude color, but they didn't have my size. I did size up in this to a XXL and it fits perfectly fine. It does have this like little spaghetti strap here. Very cute. I would wear this with a strapless bra. Right now I have on a regular bra, but I definitely would wear something strapless with this. It is so comfortable, so cute. That's the key, just size up, because I believe this is by Wild Fable, and Wild Fable is a juniors brand, so typically I do size up in their stuff, and just because it's a bodysuit, you want it to be extra comfortable. I love it. It is stretchy. The material feels really nice for the price. Again, I keep forgetting how much I love Target and how much I love the Wild Fable brand. They have such amazing pieces that are so inexpensive, and also like trendy pieces if you want to like try out something real quick without like breaking the bank. Target has some really cute options for that. So yeah, I definitely want this bodysuit in the nude color because it's just really comfortable and cute. Also, next up we have this off-the-shoulder top. I love it. It is so cute. The sleeve is absolutely adorable. I love this little detail up here. The sleeve is a different material than this part here. This one is more of like a ribbed medium thick sweater type of material, and the sleeves are just like a cotton sleeve. Very cute. Love it. I don't have anything bad to say about it. You can also tuck it in if you want to. So yeah, I really like this top. I feel like it's a nice like little basic piece. Again, like a really great piece to transition into the fall time. So if you're looking for like an off-the-shoulder staple top, I think this one would be perfect. I did get an extra large. If you have a smaller waist, you probably could size down to a large, but I'm comfortable in this one, and yeah, I love this one. Nothing bad to say about it. So cute. So next up we have this outfit. I'm just trying to give you a full view of it. These shoes were also on clearance for like $10 as well. I feel like you cannot beat that price, and they are comfortable. They are true to size. I did pick up all these items in store, by the way, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I absolutely love them. The heel is like a little heel, so it gives you enough support. It's a little bit of a rounded toe, but also a pointy toe at the same time, so it's like an oval, I guess you want to say. So it's very cute. I love it. Comfortable. It does feel like it has like a little bit of cushion in it, so it's really, really soft. I like that. And then this shirt I absolutely love, because I've seen so many shirts like this, t-shirts like this with these like figures on them, but I've never seen like curvier figures on a t-shirt before. So I love that these women here are like voluptuous and they look amazing, so I had to get this one. There goes my loud AC again. But yeah, this t-shirt material is super duper soft. I absolutely love it. And also I do like to roll up my sleeves, and this sleeve is actually stitched like that, so it saves me from rolling it up myself and worrying about if it's going to fall down or not. So I love this. I did tuck it in, but if you untuck it, that's what it looks like. So it's a pretty decent length. But yeah, I absolutely love this tee. That's how long it goes down to in the back. Super cute. I feel like it's a really nice like staple piece. Like you can wear this with pretty much any bottoms, and the figures on the front just give you like a little bit of a statement. So the last top I have to show you is this sweatshirt top. It is so cute. Of course, I was drawn to this color. It's slouchy, it's comfortable. The sleeves are like I don't know what you would call this type of sleeve, but it is a little bit larger, so it gives you like a draping effect. It's super cute. It's perfect for cooler weather because you can just wear this by itself without layering anything on top of it or underneath it. So it's perfect. Again, the same jeans. These are the only pair of jeans, obviously, that I got for this video. I do like it. It does have this stretchy sleeve here. Very, very cute. Simple, basic. You can pair this with booties and definitely some sneakers. Yeah, I like this one. It does have like a little line going down it. It's comfortable. It's a basic top, but I feel like you can never go wrong with basic tops like this because you can wear them endlessly. So next up we have this dress. This dress is so comfortable. The material on this dress is really nice. It's like a medium thickness, so it's not like cheap or thin or anything like that. So I do like the quality of this dress. It feels very nice. The sleeves are a pretty decent length, so I like the sleeves on this dress. The material is just really, really nice again. And the dress does have a slit on this side, and it also has a slit on this side as well. So I do really like this dress. I think it's super cute. I feel like it's fitted but not too fitted, you know what I mean? So I do like the way that the dress moves. It just fits really nicely. So I think this dress would look really nice layered with a denim jacket in the fall time. So this dress is something you can wear now, and you can again layer up with jackets and boots in the fall time, or you can just wear it right now with some sandals. So next up I have some pajamas. If you've watched any of my videos in the past, you guys know I love this brand. This is the Stars Above brand from Target. So this brand I do compare to the Nordstrom brand of pajamas. I think they are absolutely amazing. The quality is great. The price point is just perfect. So the length on this one is perfect. It hits right above the knee. I did size up in this one because I do like my pajamas and my loungewear to be extra loose and comfy, and I'm glad that I did. It kind of reminds me of like a Victoria's Secret sleep shirt, but this one is more than half the price. It's so soft. I'm telling you, if you've never tried their pajamas before, you've got to try them. They are so good. I absolutely love it. Comfortable, loose fitting, just easy to wear, lounge in, sleep in. I mean, honestly, there's not much to say about it except that I love it. It's super cute, comfy, and it's just easy to wear. This is the last item I have to show you guys. Well, they're technically two separate items. They are sold separately. So this is a pajama top, obviously. This material is somewhere like between cotton and like satin. Like it's soft like cotton but silky like satin. So I'm not really sure of the material, but it feels really nice. This is an extra large. I love the pattern. They did have other prints as well, but I went with this one. I believe they have a shorts version as well, so they didn't have the shorts version in my size. So I went with these long pants, but as you can see, they are just too long for me, which makes me sad because this was a really cute set. I didn't try anything on in store because I was I was honestly too lazy to do that, so I bought everything and brought it home. And yeah, I'm a little sad that the pajama pants are too long. I hate when they're too long. I don't like the feeling of them dragging on the floor, so for that reason I am going to take them back. But they do have a pocket. I am 5 feet 4 inches, by the way, so if you are taller than me, these would work perfectly for you. They do have this little string here which does work, so it is adjustable. Just overall a really cute pajama set. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much wraps up this Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Dossier. Everything is listed down below in my description box, my sizing, the links to everything. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.